Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Now I am trying to give dolphin fact information with easy way. Let's start. Currently about 42 species of dolphins are explored, among them 38 species in marine and 4 species are found in freshwater ecosystem. Each has their own unique habitats, appearance, and behaviors. Many dolphins are gray in color, some species have various patterns of black and white, and a few are even pink. Dolphins are incredible and playful creatures that share many emotional similarities with humans. In this video, we are knowing about a dolphin and its fact. If you are watching this video, please watch to end and we know there's something very special about dolphins. After watch, if you feels good and informative, please subscribe the channel and like the video. First one is pregnancy and birth. Dolphins are mammals. They must surface to breathe air and give birth to live young and do not lay eggs. A dolphin pregnancy lasts between 9 and 16 months. They can get pregnant on average every 2 to 4 years once they are mature, although some species can have 5 to 7 years between birth. The mother feeds for offspring on milk. Dolphin calves tend to stay close to their mothers for a few years before venturing off on their own. However, some calves will stay with their mother for a lifetime. Second one is food. Dolphins eat fish, squids, and crustaceans. They do not chew their food but may break it into smaller pieces before swallowing. All dolphins have conical shaped teeth. Dolphins use echolocation to find food and navigate. This is our natural versions of radar. Third one is body hair. Newborn calves have hair on their rostrum. Rostrum means beak, and this hair fall out soon after birth. This is believed to be an evolutionary remnant from when they lived on land. Fourth one is stomach. Dolphins have two stomachs. One is used for storage of food and the other is used for digestion. Fifth one is lifespan. Even though the average lifespan of dolphins is about 17 years, some can even live up to 50 years. Sixth one is sleep. Dolphins sleep with only half their brain. When they are asleep, one part of their brain remains alert and awake. This keeps them safe from potential predator and enables them to breathe while sleeping. Seventh one is skin. Dolphins have very delicate skin. Getting injured at the slightest touch of hard surface. However, due to their fast healing attribute, even the deepest of wound can be healed within a short time. Eighth one is swimming. They can swim at the rate of 3 to 7 miles per hour. Some exceed that and travel at the speed of 20 miles per hour. Ninth is jump. Dolphins can jump as high as 20 feet out of the water. 10th is warm-blooded. Warm-blooded means that their body is able to regulate its own temperature, so they stay warm even when the water temperature around them are cold. 11th one is lungs, not gills. Another central feature of aquatic mammals is that they have lungs, not gills. Dolphins, like whales, need to periodically come to the surface to replenish their air supply. 12th one is intelligence. Dolphins are considered one of the world's most intelligent mammals, and they have several cognitive abilities that set them apart. Many researchers consider intelligence to be a combination of perception, communication, and problem solving. 13th is how do dolphins communicate. One of the fascinating things about these mammals is their complex method of communication. There are three main ways: gestures, echolocations, and social communication. 14th is echolocation. Echolocation is a technique used by bats, dolphins, and other animals to determine the location of objects using reflected sound. Echolocation serves for both communication and for navigation. Echolocation is seeing with sound, much like sonar on a submarine. Dolphin emits a sound and then listen for the echo as that sound bounces off of objects. These sound waves travel back to the dolphin. Dolphins are able to get much more information out of the sound than human. This includes the size and shape of objects or obstructions near them and even what material they are made of. 14th one is mating habitat. Dolphin can mate as required or seasonal, but being intelligent mammals, they mating also for entertainment. 15th one is how are dolphins important to the ecosystem? Dolphins are important to the ecosystem in the sense that they are top level predator which control population of fishes and squids and keep the balance of ecosystem. Its presence gives the information of pure water system because it leaves only fresh and non-pollutant water. 16th one is threats and challenges. Dolphins are under threat worldwide, mainly human-generated threats. Two of the biggest issues are entanglement in fishing gear and net and pollution. Dolphins often pursue the same fish species that commercial fishing ships are hunting and may get accidentally caught in their nets. They can also get tangled in discarded ropes and gear, causing a significant amount of marine mammal death each year. Finally, the human-created pollution that is affecting the world's ocean is causing a wide variety of problems for dolphins, ranging from disease to difficulty finding food. Dolphins endangered. There are dozens of species of dolphins that are endangered and now extinct. Some of the most threatened species are the ones that comes into contact with humans most frequently. This includes the Anjay River dolphin, the Maui dolphin, the Ganges River dolphin, and the short-beaked common dolphin. Each of these species face significant challenges for their future. These species could have been a victim of human development, including bycatch fishing, when the dolphin is accidentally caught in a fishing net, injuries from fishhook and lines, boat collisions, the rising pollution level in the river itself. How can you help? Even small changes you can have a big impact on the future of dolphins in the world. This includes reducing the pollution and household waste you produce, practice recycling, reduce carbon emissions, follow marine and water-friendly regulation when out on your boat, support private and governmental conservation programs, stay educated on dolphins and environmental issues. Finally, save the dolphin, save the nature. Thank you for watching. Leave the comments for this video. Please subscribe the channel and like the video. Thank you.